The Filipino pang-abay or adverb, hindi kailanman, which means never ever in English. Hindi kailanman. Hindi kailanman. Let us have the following example sentences. Hindi kailanman dapat kalimutan ang pinagmulan. In English, it means one must never forget their roots. Hindi kailanman, never ever. Dapat is must. Kalimutan, limot means forget. Pinagmulan is like where you started or your roots. Hindi kailanman dapat kalimutan ang pinagmulan. Hindi kailanman magiging huli para magsimula. It will never be too late to start. Hindi kailanman, never ever, magiging to be. Huli means like end or late. Para magsimula, to start. Simula means to start. Hindi kailanman magiging huli para magsimula. Hindi kailanman siyang nagsabi ng masamang salita. It means he or she never ever said a bad word. Hindi kailanman, siya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Sabi means like mentioned or said, and masama means like bad. And then a salita is a word. Hindi kailanman siyang nagsabi ng masamang salita. Hindi kailanman magkakapareho ang dalawang tao. It means two people will never ever be the same. Pareho means the same, and then dalawa means two, and then a tao is a person. Hindi kailanman magkakapareho ang dalawang tao. And that is all for our pang-abay or adverb, hindi kailanman or never ever in English. Hindi kailanman, hindi kailanman.